The coronavirus pandemic. What is coronavirus? Origin, extent, methods to control. Novel coronavirus COVID-19. Coronavirus disease COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. Most people infected with COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. The best way to prevent and slow down transmission is be well informed about the COVID-19 virus. The disease causes harmful effect on the body, and its spread is very dangerous, but there are small preventions that can be taken to avoid this disease. COVID-19 virus spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. So it's important that you also practice respiratory etiquettes. For example, coughing into fluxed elbow. At this time, there are no specific vaccines, but the trials are going on, and most probably, uh, at the end of this month, it is expected that the vaccine would come to the market. Some symptoms of coronavirus. Most common symptoms: fever, dry cough, and tiredness. Less common syndromes are aches, pains, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of taste or smell, a rash on skin, discoloration of fingers or toes. Very serious symptoms: difficulty in breathing, shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure, loss of speech or movement. Precautions to be taken: social distancing have to be maintained, sanitation have to be under consideration, washing hands frequently by using soap and water or alcohol based hand sanitizer, wearing of mask if go out of the house, wearing of hand gloves, regularly practicing yoga to build up the immunity power. Do not spit here and there, and stay home and stay safe. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.